Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel from Home Garden and Fashion. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to do a video on basil leaves. As you know, the basil leaves are very beneficial for our health. Now I just want to give a disclaimer. This is not a medical advice or anything. Seek your doctor's help if you need any help. This is just general information, so this is not to save or cure from anyone from any diseases. So this is just a disclaimer. Now, basil leaves has been used in all the countries in different cuisine, and it has a lot of health benefits. In India, actually, people grow basil plant in their patio, and this goes on for traditions, and then they pray to the basil plant day and night, and it's been believed that it can heal people's body, mind, everything. So basil leaves are considered to be very holy, and it has a lot of antioxidant and antibacterial, antiviral property, and it's great for having a good immune system, maintain good health, boost digestion, and detoxification of the body. So just every day chew few leaves, and it also helps in prevention and cures of many elements, and it is believed that it heals the skin, makes skin beautiful, and detoxifies the skin. People drink it in their water. It also believed that it helps with the cancer healing and diabetes and heart disease. And basil has a lot of vitamin A, vitamin K, iron, and manganese and calcium, and essential oil, and it's good for digestion. It is anti-inflammatory. It fights the skin, any kind of skin problem. It fights free radical, and skin is good for a skin cleanser, as a skin toner. It fights also depression, and it's for diabetes management, and it's a remedy for headaches, insomnia, and it balances the body's pH. So it balances the acid within the body and restores the body's proper pH balance. It lowers the risk of heart disease, and it's good for rheumatoid arthritis because it lowers inflammation, and it's good for inflammatory bowel system, bowel condition, like IBS, and it soothes the fever, headache, sore throat, cough, flu. So basil leaves has many antioxidants, and it strengthens the immune system, protects cellular structure, DNA, and delays the effect of skin aging. Basil leaves anti-inflammatory and boosts our immune system, protects the body from stress, and it is powerful adaptogen, anti-stress agent. So it helps with depression and anxiety, and it's good for managing diabetes. Consumption of basil could result in slow release of sugar in the blood, so which is very essential for diabetics. It also cuts down the triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Basil may help prevent the fat buildup in the liver and keep the liver healthy. and it promotes healthy gut and heals upset stomach, and it also restores body's natural pH, makes the body alkaline, so it's good for warding off any diseases, bacterial and viral infections. It is healthy. It creates a good healthy gut flora, so which increases the immune system and it's good for digestion. It heals upset stomach. So in India, people been using basil leaves for thousands of years, and that's why they do prayers to the basil plant. Basil plant is well known in India as Tulsi. So they consider it as goddess Tulsi, and every house must have it, and every house must do prayers in the morning and night to it. And most of their health elements are taken care or healed by using the basil leaves. So this was a small video on basil leaves, since this is so useful and it can be grown in any home. But do ask your doctor's permission before you even chew a single leaf, just to be clear. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.